According to CVSA, if the tread depth on a steer tire has less than 2/32 of an inch tread depth when measured in two adjacent major grooves at any location on the tire, then an out-of-service violation exists and the vehicle cannot be moved until the problem is corrected. It's also important to note that if a tire on any other position is worn to the point where less than 1/32 of an inch tread depth is measured in any two adjacent grooves, the vehicle will be placed out of service.
Let's take a look at how a typical flat tire scored under the SMS.
In this example, the tire has less than 50% of the maximum inflation pressure marked on the sidewall, so an out-of-service condition exists. The driver and fleet will be assessed the 8 points for the flat tire plus an additional 2 points for the out-of-service violation.
To use the tread depth gauge, we'll see that we have the numbers 5 and 3. 5 denotes 5 seconds, 3 denotes 3 seconds. We're going to use that 5 seconds for steer tires and that 3 seconds for all other tires. So what we'll do is take this gauge, we're going to place that down into the tire. If at any point in time we have less than that pin there, then we need to get the tires replaced because that means that they are at 5 seconds or lower. On all other tires, that's drives and tandems, we're going to use this pin here. Anything below that would be 3 seconds or the DOT minimum 2 seconds. And again, we need to get those tires replaced.